Gently close your eyes. Completely relax your mind. Concentrate on your breathing. Deep inhalation and complete exhalation. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Feel each inhalation and exhalation. Feel the breath. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. We'll chant 3 rounds of Omkar and Sahanavatu together. Inhale deeply. Inhale. Inhale. Prayer together. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunattu Sah Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shantah Shantah Shantihi. Rub your palms. Nicely rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. Massage your eyes, ears, face, and slowly open your eyes. We'll start with abdominal breathing. Go with the Vajrasana if you're comfortable. Keep your both hands on the navel. Keep your both hands on the navel. Spine erect. Just concentrate on the navel. With inhalation, slowly bulge your stomach out. With exhalation, slowly tuck your stomach in. Inhale and bulge out. Exhale and tuck in. Go with the deep breathing. Inhale out. Exhale in. Don't need to bend forward here. Just concentrate on the abdominal region. And with inhalation, slowly bulge your stomach out. With exhalation, slowly tuck your stomach in. Inhale, bulge out. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale, bulge out. Exhale, tuck in. Inhale out. Exhale in. Go with the normal breathing. Your right hand on your navel. Keep your left hand center of the chest. Just concentrate on the chest. Inhale, expand the chest. exhale, contraction of the chest. Inhale and expand. Exhale and contraction of the chest. Inhale and expand. Exhale and contraction of the chest. Inhale and expand. Exhale and contraction of the chest. Go the natural breathing. Now release your hands, take your hands, backside of the head, interlock the fingers. Keep the head straight. Inhale to the nostrils and exhale from the mouth. We'll be repeating 9 rounds, self-counting. Inhale and exhale from the mouth. 9 rounds. Because we're completed 9 rounds, you can drop the hands down. Observe the changes. You go with one nostril Bhastrika. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Make a fist of your left hand. Inhale up and exhale down. Inhalation up and exhalation down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Come back. Go with other nostril now. Close your left nostril. Make a fist of your right hand. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Come back. Now make a fist of your hands. Another 21 rounds. Make a fist. Inhale, raise your both the hands up, open up your fingers and exhale down. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Hands down. Feel the Kumbhaka straight. Sahaja Kumbhaka straight. We'll go with Shashankasana with Bhramari. Tongue to the upper palate. Take both the arms back. Inhale, bend backward. With exhalation, chant Makara and bend down. Inhale. Inhale, come up. Synchronize with the movement as well as sound. Inhale. 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 Inhale, slowly come up, raise your hands. Hands in Chin Mudra. Observe the changes. Rub your palms, massage your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. We'll go with the rabbit breathing. Here we are in Vajrasana position itself. Take the distance. Keep the hands in Namaskar Mudra, but thumb should be upward. Drop the hands down. Bring your chin to the thumb. Take the proper distance. Then replace your palm to the ground. And tongue out. Okay, you can see first. After taking the distance, drop the palms downwards. Tongue out. Okay. Then your tongue should touch your lower lip. Then go with the slow breathing. Okay. Slow breathing. How rabbit will get the breathing? Same way, slow breathing. Okay. Will do. Take the distance first. Place the palms down. Tongue out. Your tongue should be touching to the lower lip. Then start breathing. Slow breathing. Slow breathing. You can close your eyes to get more awareness. Just concentrate on the throat, chest, and abdominal region.
Ma'am, can you just repeat again the instructions, ma'am?
Sit in Vajrasana position. Take the distance. Okay. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Thumb should be upward. Drop the palm down. Take the distance towards chin and thumb. And drop the hands down. Tongue out. Your tongue should be touching to the upper palate. Sorry, lower lip. Then start breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Hope you got it. Then slowly come up. Those are completed. Slowly come up. Hands in Chin Mudra. Observe the changes on your throat and chest. Feel fresh. Again, go with the second round. Same, take distance first. Drop your chin to the thumb, then drop the palms down, tongue out, and start breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come up. Observe the changes. Gently open your eyes now. Next we'll go with tiger breathing. Between the knees, take one palm distance. Front one forearm, then one palm front. Come on the knee, toes inward. Exhale, drop your chin to the neck, raise the shoulders up, tuck your stomach in. Inhale, look upward. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. 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 Exhale, down. Slowly come back. Now bring your knees together, toes together, stretch your right leg backward. Do ankle stretch here itself. Stretch your right leg back and do ankle stretch. Look front. Start. Stretch your ankle. Inhale and exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Go the left. Stretch your left leg back. Stretch your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, come back. Again, stretch your right leg back. Do flapping up, down. Keep the knees right. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look front. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Come back. Let's stretch your right hand forward. Right hand forward. Do rotation. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, look front. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go the left. Stretch your left hand forward. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe. 9. Inhale, exhale. 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Now drop the hands down. Come to mountain position. Feet are apart. Feet are apart. Now inhale. Come to Bhujanga. Look up. Exhale. Parvata. Inhale. Look up to Bhujanga. Knee should be above the ground. Exhale. Parvata. Inhale. Bhujanga. Exhale. Parvata. Inhale. Bhujanga. Exhale. Parvata. Inhale. Bhujanga. Exhale. Parvata. Inhale. Bhujanga. Exhale. Parvata. Inhale Bhujanga. Exhale Parvata. Inhale Bhujanga. Exhale Parvata. Now you can do now in Parvatasana. First raise your right leg up. Bring your right leg forward to the right side. Do 2 push-ups. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale, come. Again, go to mountain. Now raise your left leg up. Bring it forward. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Again, go to mountain. Okay, alternate your legs. First right leg, then left leg. Those having problem with their shoulders, you can go down. Okay, slowly you can go to Bhujangasana. Only half you can lift up your chest and go down. Ready? Start. Raise your right leg up. Step your right leg forward. Do 2 push-ups. 1, 2. Mountain. Raise your left leg up. Step it forward. Do 2 push-ups. 1, 2. Mountain. Right up. Bring it forward. Push-ups. 1, 2. Mountain. Left up. Bring it forward. 1, 2. Mountain. Right up. Bring it forward. 2 push-ups. 1, 2. Mountain. Left. Up. Bring it forward. 1, 2. Mountain. Left. Up. Push-ups. 1, 2. Mountain. Right. Up. Push-ups. 1, 2. Mountain. Left. Up. Push-ups. 1, 2. Come back. Now again, drop the knees down. Cross the leg. Cross the leg. Again, we'll be doing push-ups. Go down and come up. Those are able to do without dropping the knees down. You can go with that. Okay. All ladies can keep the knees down only. Brothers can take without knees support also. Okay, we'll start 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back. Now change the leg. Now we crossed right leg front right. Now cross your left. Change the leg position. Okay, we'll start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and release. So in Vajrasana, do shoulder rotation. Rotate your shoulder with the breathing. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3. Breathe in and breathe out. 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Release your left leg now. Release your right leg and shake your legs. Shake your legs. Shake, 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 shake. Now go with the side twisting. Gunamanasana variation will do. Fold the right leg backside. Those who are having knee pain, you can fold the leg, cross your right leg. Okay. Now exhale, twist to the right and come up. Okay. Those who are having knee pain. Rest. Sorry. Take the left leg back. Keep your right leg on your left leg tight. Left leg will be back. How you sit in Virasana position or Paschimashramasana position. And keep the right leg on your left leg thigh. Now with exhalation, twist to the right side, bring your forehead to the ground. Inhale, come up. Okay, hope you got it. Exhale, twist. Inhale, up. Try to twist maximum backside. Okay, backside. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go down. Inhale up. Exhale 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 down. Inhale up. Come back. Now change your leg. Change your leg. Fold your right leg first. Keep your left leg on your right leg thigh. Now exhale, twist to the left side. Inhale, come up. Exhale, twist. Inhale, 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 up. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. Slowly come back and stretch your legs. Shake your legs, shake your legs, shake your legs. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Now fold your right leg. Fold your right leg. How you carry the child? Same way, keep your left hand, okay, on your right leg sole. Take your right hand around your right leg knee and interlock. Okay, in this way. Just move, stretch, back, sidewise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Be in the same position. Now we're going backward and forward. Okay, inhale, go back. Raise your left leg 90 degree. Exhale, come up. Inhale, go back. Exhale, up. Done. Back, forward. Don't leave the child, okay? Back and forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your hands. Release your leg. Go to the left leg. Fold it. Bring maximum up, okay, towards the chest. Towards the chest. Don't drop it down. It increases knees flexibility as well as your thighs. Try to bring it towards the chest. Move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we'll do inhale, go back. Exhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back and sit. Last warm up. Fold your both the legs. Arms will be back. Fingers are in, either out, which is comfortable. Okay, feet are together. Exhale, twist your legs to the right side and turn your head to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, go with opposite side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. 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 Inhale, come back and relax. Legs apart. Go to Shitila Dandasana. Take your arms back. Legs will be apart. You can drop the head to the right shoulder or left shoulder or keep the head straight with the closed eyes. Relax completely after warm up. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, deep breathing. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. We'll chant once Ukara sound. Inhale. Relax. Legs together now. Rub your palms, massage your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. We'll go for fourth variation of Chandra Namaskar. Anyhow, we are sitting. Go backside of the mat. Fourth variation of Chandra Namaskara. Here, feet together and knees will be apart. Keep your feet together, knees apart. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes, visualize the beautiful moon. Om Chandraya Namaha. Open your eyes. Keep your both hands on the knees. It is a sthiti. 1. Raise your hands up and look upward. 2. Bend down. Bring your elbow to the knee, closer to the knee, palms down. Bring your forehead to the ground like a Shashanka. Now take your one palm front. Come to Marjari pose. Feet are apart. Toes should be pointed in and look up. Drop your chin to the neck. Raise the shoulders up. Feet together, knees together. Come to mountain. Rise your right leg up. Bring your right leg forward in between your hands. Slowly go to Virabhadrasana. Bend your right leg knee. Look at your right hand, middle finger. Now drop your right hand down inside. Left hand should be straight up. Look up. Take your left hand back. Take back. Raise your right hand up with the chin mudra and bend backward. Drop your both the hands down. Go to mountain. Ashtanga, go down. Chin and chest on the ground. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Now raise your left leg up. Step your left leg forward. Go to Virabhadrasana. Bend your left leg knee. Look at your left hand, middle finger. Drop your left hand down inside. Raise your right hand up. Look up. Tie your right hand back. Raise your left hand up with the chin mudra. Bend back. Drop the hands down. Go to mountain. Look at the navel. Ashtanga, go down. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Feet apart at your shoulder line distance. Drop your knee to the ground. Bring your chin to the closer to the neck. Raise the shoulders up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, feet together. Drag yourself back to Shashanka. Inhale, raise your hands up. Bend back. Exhale, hands on the knees. Second round, we'll be doing 4 rounds. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend down, drop the elbows to the ground. Bring your forehead to the ground. Look front. Take your one palm front. Come to Marjari pose, look up. Chin to the neck, raise the shoulders up, tuck your stomach in. Knees together, feet together, come to mountain, look at the navel. Rise your left leg up now. Step your left leg forward. Go to Virabhadrasana. Bend your left leg knee. Look at your left hand, middle finger. Drop your left hand down. Your right hand should be straight up. Look at your right hand, middle finger. Tie your right hand back. Left hand up with the chin mudra. Bend backward. Drop the hands down. Go to mountain. Ashtanga, go down. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Rise your right leg up. Step your right leg forward. Go to Virabhadra. Drop your right hand down. The left hand should be straight up. Look up. Tie your left hand back. Rise your right hand up with the chin mudra. Bend back. Hands down. Go to mountain. Ashtanga, go down. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Feet apart. Drop your knees on the ground. Chin to the neck. Rise the shoulders up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, drag yourself back to Shashanka. Inhale, rise your hands up and bend back. Exhale, hands on the knees. Third round. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend down, drop the elbows on the ground. Look front, take your one palm front, come to Marjari pose, look upward. Chin to the neck, rise the shoulders up. Feet together, knees together, come to mountain. Mountain pose. Rise your right leg up. Step your right leg forward. Come up, bend your right leg knee, hands on your shoulder line, Virabhadrasana. Now drop your right hand down. Left hand should be straight up. Tie your left hand back. Rise your right hand up and bend backward. Drop the hands down. Go to mountain. Look at the navel. Ashtanga, go down. Do with the breathing. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Rise your right leg up. Or left leg up. Left leg up. Bring your left leg forward. Ah, yes, left leg. Yes. Bring it forward now. Go to Virabhadra. Divya, munde tagamani. Bring your left leg forward. Look at your left hand, middle finger. Drop your left hand down. Rise your right hand up. Look up. Look at the middle finger. Tie your left hand back. Rise your right hand up. Anyhow, change your hand, which is there that you can do it. Okay. Hands down. Go to mountain. Ashtanga, go down. Chin and chest on the ground. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Feet apart. Knees on the ground. Chin to the neck. Rise the shoulders up. Inhale, look up. Exhale. Drag yourself back and sit in Vajrasana position. Sorry, Shashankasana. Inhale, rise your hands up and bend back. Exhale, come back to the Sthiti. Fourth round. We'll go with the left leg now. Sthiti. Hands on the knees. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend down. Look front, take your one palm front. Slowly come to Marjari pose, look up. Chin to the neck, raise the shoulders up and look up. Come to mountain pose. Rise your left leg up. Step your left leg forward. Go to Virabhadrasana 2. Bend your left leg knee. Drop your left hand down. Right hand up. Look up. Tie your right hand back. Rise your left hand up. Bend backward. Hands down. Go to mountain. Go to Ashtanga, go down. Bhujanga, come up. Parvata. Right leg up. Bring your right leg forward. Go to Virabhadra. Drop your right hand down. Left hand up. Look up. Tie your left hand back. Rise your right hand up. Bend back. Hands down. Go to mountain. Ashtanga. Bhujanga. Parvata. Feet apart. Drop your knees on the ground. Chin to the neck. Raise the shoulders. Inhale, look up. Exhale, feet together. Drag yourself back to Shashanka. Inhale, back. Exhale, hands on the knees. Relax. Relax, relax. Close your eyes with the Prana Mudra. Ring finger, little finger with the thumb. Close your eyes. Relax, relax. Inhale through the nostrils and exhale from the mouth. Deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Rub your palms, massage your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. We'll go with the fifth variation of Surya Namaskara, 4 rounds. Okay, please stand up. Come front of the mat. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes and visualize the beautiful sunrise. Gently open your eyes now. Cross your hands. Fifth variation, you can cross. Your right hand should be up and cross it. Inhale, raise your hands up. Look up, look at your thumb. Exhale, Namaskara Mudra and look front. Inhale, look up. Exhale, pull the buttock back, partially bend down, palms should be facing upward, drishti should be in the front. Inhale, swing your hands, palm facing each other and bend backward. Exhale, bend down to Padahasta, pull the buttock back again, bend down. Inhale, take your right leg back, knee should be above the ground here, drishti should be in the front. Exhale, go to Parvatasana, look at the Nabhi. Inhale, go to Tula, whole body should be in the same line. Exhale, drop the knees down, fold the legs, go down and hold the breath. Inhale, knees on the ground, toes out, come to Bhujanga. Again, exhale, fold the legs, go down, drop your chin to the ground. Inhale, slowly come up. Exhale, go to Parvata. Inhale, step your right leg forward. Left leg knee should be above the ground. Exhale, left leg forward. Take your arms back. Hold the calf muscle. Bring your forehead to the knee. Inhale, raise your hands up. Palm facing each other. Bend back. Exhale, take your hands from the sides. Come back to the Sthiti. Okay, second round. Now take your left hand front. Okay. Inhale, raise your hands up. Look up. Exhale, Namaskara Mudra, look front. Go with the deep breathing. Inhale, look up. Exhale, partially bend down, look out. Inhale, swing your hands, palm facing each other, bend back. Exhale, bend down to Padahasta. Inhale, take your left leg back, look front. Exhale, right leg back, go to mountain. Inhale, go to Tula, look front. Exhale, go down, drop your chin to the ground. Hold the legs. Inhale, Bhujanga, come up. Exhale, go down to Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga, come up. Exhale, go to Parvata. Inhale, step your left leg forward, look front. Exhale, right leg forward, arms back. Hold the calf muscle and bend down. Inhale, raise your hands up. Bend back. Exhale, take your hands from the sides. Come back to the Sthiti. Third round. Now take your right hand from front. Inhale, raise your hands up. Look up. Exhale, Namaskara Mudra, look front. Inhale, look up. Exhale, partially bend down, look out. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, right leg back. Knee above the ground and look front. Exhale, left leg back, go to mountain. Inhale, go to Tula, look front. Exhale, Ashtanga, drop your chin down, fold the legs. Inhale, Bhujanga, knees on the ground, toes out and Drishti up. Exhale, Ashtanga, go down, fold the legs. Inhale, Bhujanga, come up. Exhale, Parvata, look at the Nabhi. Inhale, right leg forward. Drishti front. Exhale, left leg forward, arms back, hold the calf muscle, bend down, bring your forehead to the knee. Inhale, raise your hands up, palm facing each other, bend back. Exhale, take your hands from the sides, come back to the sthiti. Very good. Last round with the fourth round, left hand in the front. Inhale, raise your hands up, look up. Exhale, Namaskar Rudra. Inhale, look up. Exhale, partially bend down, look out. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Inhale, Tula, look front. Exhale, go down, hold the breath. Inhale, Bhujanga, come up. Exhale, go down, hold the breath. Inhale, Bhujanga, come up. Exhale, Parvata. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward, arms back, hold the calf muscle, bend down. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, come back to the sthiti. Relax, relax, relax. Relax, relax. Sit and relax. Go to Shitila Dandasana and relax. Shake your legs, arms back. Close your eyes and relax yourself. Relax, relax, relax. Do deep breathing. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. We'll chant Makara sound once. Inhale deeply. Relax. Legs together and rub your palms, massage your eyes and slowly open your eyes. We'll start with simple asanas. Now sit in Ardha Padmasana position. Fold your left leg first on that right leg. So right leg is up. So we keep your right hand up and drop your left hand down and cross it. Garda Mudra. Okay. Now twist your shoulder to the right side and turn your head to the left side. Twist your shoulder to the right side. So your hand should be on your right side and turn your neck to the left side. And close your eyes. Feel the stretch on the shoulders. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale. 1. Breathe. 2. It strengthens the arms and shoulders. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale, come back. Exhale, release your hands. Now change to other side now. Change your leg. Left leg will be up and left hand up, right hand down. Twist your shoulders to the left side and turn your head to the right side. Start breathing. Inhale and exhale. Breathe, breathe. 1. Twist, twist, twist. Maximum. 2, 3. Breathe. 4. Inhale, exhale. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, release your hands and release your legs. Shake your legs. Now go with the side stretch. Sit in, we'll go with the Swastikasana. Again, sit in Ardha Padmasana. Hold the left, right leg up. Make sure both legs knees should be touching to the ground. Touching to the ground. With the left hand, press your right leg knee on the ground. Rise your right hand up. Keep the span erect. Your biceps should touch your earlobes. Without bending the elbows, both the elbows should be straight. And with exhalation, slowly bend to the left side. Twist the shoulder. Look upward. Those who are having neck pain, you can look front. Rest, you can twist and look up. If you want to close your eyes, close your eyes. Just concentrate on the waist and the right shoulder. Feel the stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. Throughout the practice, try to breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Change to other leg now. Change to other leg. With the right hand, press your left leg knee, raise your left hand up. Do complete stretch to the left side. Breathe in, breathe out and bend down. You can close your eyes if you are comfortable. Feel the stretch. It strengthens our lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Inhale, come up. You complete stretch and exhale, release your hands. And slowly release your leg now. Release your legs. Shake your legs. Now we'll go with the forward bending. We'll go with the forward bending. Now fold your right leg in front. Fold the right leg in front. Janu Shirshasana variation. Right leg will be in front. You have to fold it. Rise your both the hands up. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly bend forward. Bring your forehead to the knees. And maintain. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Okay, those are not comfortable. You can drop the knee to the ground. Otherwise, knee should be pointing upward. Okay, and bend down. Reach where you can. Those who are having severe back pain and shoulder pain, hold where you can. Drop your chin to the neck and maintain. Don't strain much. Okay? Inhale up. Exhale, go down. Janu Shirshasana. Janu means knee, Shirsha means head. Your forehead is touching to the knee. Maintain. 1, breathe, breathe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look front. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, release. Change to other leg now. Hold your left leg. Inhale, raise your hands up. Exhale, bend down. Go down and maintain. Breathe in and out. Go down, 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 down. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Look front. Inhale up. Give complete stretch. Exhale. Release your hands. And fold your both the legs. Anyhow, we are folding left leg. You fold your both the legs. Take support and stretch your left leg to the left side. Okay. With the left hand, hold your right leg toes or ankle. Rise your right hand up. Again, bend down to the left side. If you're not comfortable, you can drop the hip down and go downwards. Okay. If you're comfortable, rise the hip up. Okay. Rise your right hand up. Left hand on your right leg toes or ankle. And slowly bend down. If you're able to hold the toe, hold the toe. Twist. Look up. And maintain. Do it, do it, do it, do it. 5 counts. Maintain. Very good, Shanta. Excellent. Down, 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 down. 1. Very good, Kirtanaji. Try some more down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try, Madi. Kamalji, try. 7, 8, 9, 10. Slow inhale. Come back. Exhale. Down. Change to other leg. Change to other leg. Change to other leg. Stretch. Now keep hold your right hand with the left ankle. Rise your left hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend down. Go down. Go down. Down. Maintain. 1. Try. 2. Try. 3. 4. Up. 5.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
The other foot needs to be flat, or we need to balance on 2?
Which one? The down one.
Yeah.
I should be a flat only.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Do it. Continue. 5. Smile. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Smile. 11. 12. Slowly come back and release. Slowly come back. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Relax. Yeah. Again, fold your right leg now. Fold up, lift up. Okay, it should be on the elbow. Hands in Namaskara Mudra and maintain. If you're comfortable, you can lift your left leg up. Okay, left leg up. One thing we'll do, 5 counts will maintain in this. Next 5 counts we will lift the leg up. Okay. Now all of you drop the leg down. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. Look at your thumb. 1. Leg will be down now. Come on, keep your left leg down only. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lift up. Up, up. Balance. 1, 2, 3. Subaji do. 4. Support the body. Go to support the body. 5. Slowly come back. Be in the same position. No need to change. Now you can leave your right hand. Left hand should be on the elbow itself. Okay. No need to change your left hand. Leave your right hand. Raise your right hand up. Hold it. Take your right hand around the neck and hold. Okay. Hold and turn your head to the right side. Turn your head to the right side. Look backward. Look backward. Inhale, exhale. Very good. 1. Good, good, good. 2. 3. Twist back completely. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Slowly come back and release your leg. Change to other side. Lift up. Do Namaskara back straight. Back straight. You have to bring your leg towards the chest or the neck. Okay. Maintain. Look front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift your leg up. 1, 2, 3. Maintain, maintain. 4, 5. Drop the leg down. Now use your left hand. Take out the left hand. Take your left hand around the neck. And maintain. Twist your neck to the left side. Look backward. Look backward. 1, 2. Excellent. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Slowly inhale. Come back. Exhale. Release. Shake your legs. Shake your legs. Shake, 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 shake. Shake your legs. Lie down your back. Lie down your back. Now we'll go with 2 more asanas. One is Halasana and Chakrasana. Okay. Lie down your back. We'll start with Halasana. Those who are having problem with the back and neck, you can raise only with 90-degree angle. Okay. We'll go now. Lie down your back. Whole body should be in the straight line. Ekam, take your both the arms back. Raise your both legs 45-degree, 90-degree. Then take your both the hands side of the buttocks. Lift the hip. Use your hand support. And come to 135-degree. From just slowly go down. If you're comfortable, you can interlock. Toes are out. We're coming back. Take support. Come with 135-degree. Then 90-degree. Arms back and drop it down. Okay? Do all of you. If you're not comfortable, go with only 90-degree. Maintain. Go back. Don't jerk your neck or back. Carefully practice. Carefully practice. When you go with the Halasana position, toes are pointing backward. Engage the kneecaps. 1. Maintain. 2. 3. Very good. Excellent. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12. Slowly come back without any jerk. Slowly drop the neck down, hip down, and slowly bring your legs down. As a complementary, we'll go with the Chakrasana. Those are not able to go with the Chakrasana, maintain with Setubandhasana. Okay, fold your legs, rise the hip up and maintain. Those are able to do Chakrasana, fold the legs. Take your both the hands on your shoulder line. Fingers are pointing inward towards the foot and slowly lift up and maintain. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. Lift up. Maintain. 1. Tumna malkobardu ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2. Up, up, up. 3. Left, left. 4. 5. Very good. Excellent. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Without any jerk. Slowly drop the neck down, hip down, come back. Just hug the knees. Hug the knees. Take a Paramuktasana. Just relax the spine. Relax the spine. And slowly drop your legs down. Shake your legs. Just move the head right to left and left to right. And keep the head straight. Reduce the gap between your spine and the floor. Press the tailbone, collarbone, palm facing upward. Close your eyes and relax yourself. Relax yourself. Relax, relax, relax. With the deep breathing. Take a deep breath. Inhale, bulge your stomach out. And exhale, tuck your stomach in. Inhale, bulge out. Exhale, tuck in. We'll chant continuously 5 rounds of Omkara sound. Inhale. Relax, relax, relax. Slowly bring your legs together. Hands together. Take your both the arms back. Completely stretch your whole body. Stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Completely stretch, stretch, stretch. Slowly release and turn to the right side. Take a soft breathing. And slowly come up and sit comfortably straight with the chin mudra with the closed eyes. Select any meditative pose. We'll practice few rounds of Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Right hand in Nasika Mudra, left hand in Vayu Mudra. Fold your index finger with the thumb. Press your index finger. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Exhale from the left nostril. After exhalation, again inhale to left. Close your left nostril with ring finger and exhale to the right. Then inhale to right. Close your right nostril and exhale from the left. Practice few rounds. Each inhalation mentally chant so and exhalation hum. So hum. So hum. So hum. So hum. Practice. Exhale from the left and slowly stop the practice. Now hands in Laghu Shankha Mudra, interlock all the fingers. Your thumb should be facing front. Drop your hands to the lap. Okay, interlock all the fingers, thumb out. Spine erect. Tongue to the upper palate. We'll chant continuously 5 rounds of Makara, humming B sound. Inhale. Just meditate. Feel relaxed, calm. Feel fresh and feel happy. Let us maintain the state, energy, happiness throughout the day. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavan 3 times together. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Take your hands back, inhale, bend back, and exhale, bend down. Salutation to Ishtadev and Mother Earth. Inhale, come up, rub your palms. Massage your eyes, ears, face, and massage your whole body. Look at the palm with a smile, slowly open your eyes. Thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.